Okay, here's my detailed review of the windshield and interior glass cleaning tool, the Reach and Clean tool. Have you ever strained your shoulder trying to clean your car's windshield? Or wiped and wiped only to leave behind streaks and smudges? If your answer is yes, then the tool I'm about to introduce might completely change how you clean auto glass, faster, cleaner, and easier than ever before. Number 1. The original, trusted by millions. This isn't a cheap knockoff. This is the original Reach and Clean tool, specially designed to clean hard-to-reach spots like the corners of your windshield or tight spaces around your home's windows. There's nothing more satisfying than finishing a quick wipe and seeing your glass crystal clear and streak-free. Number 2. Extendable. Easily reach high surfaces. One of the standout features of this tool is its ability to attach to a standard extension pole. Whether you're cleaning the inside of a windshield, tall home windows, or overhead glass, just attach a compatible pole, there's even a built-in hanging hook, and you're good to go. No ladders, no back pain. Number 3. No more paper towels, just reusable microfiber bonnets. Tired of wasting money on paper towels that leave streaks behind? Here's the good news. This tool uses reusable microfiber bonnets that clean incredibly well, leave no streaks, and save you money in the long run. You'll get a brilliant shine without the waste. Number 4. Easy to wash. Simple cleaning routine. After each use, just remove the microfiber cover and toss it into the washing machine. No hand washing needed, no need to buy replacements frequently. Let it air dry and it's ready to go again. Each bonnet can be used dozens of times. Clean, simple, and cost-effective. Number 5. Number 1 auto glass cleaner brand in the US. This is not just another cleaning gadget. It's the number 1 best-selling auto glass cleaning tool in the US, according to NPD Group data. Millions of people trust and use this tool every day to keep their car and home glass surfaces sparkling clean. Final verdict. Is it worth buying? If you're looking for a practical, efficient, and budget-friendly glass cleaning tool, the Reach and Clean tool absolutely deserves a place in your cleaning kit. Key benefits: smart head design, cleans hard-to-reach corners with ease; extendable pole compatible, great for both car and home use; reusable microfiber, streak-free and lint-free shine; machine washable, no fuss maintenance; trusted, top-selling brand in the US. Note, the tool does not include the extension pole. You'll need to use one you already have or purchase it separately if needed. I've included the product link in the description. If your car windshield or home windows are begging for help, give this tool a try. You'll be amazed at how much easier, faster, and more satisfying window cleaning can be.